Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 19 of saving every day in April, trying to finish up and get through my stash of minis. So I have a $10 bill today. I did not have any ones, so I figured we probably won't finish too many today because we finished 5 yesterday. So I'm going to put my $10 in the bank, and if I need to, I can always go back to our completed challenges. Completed money back here and do it. So we are going to start at number 1. Let me grab my little coins, prop coins. All right, so we have our little lavender die today. And we're going to start with 3 for number 1. Oh my goodness, 3 for number 2. I'd really like a 3 for number 3. I'm going to roll it again. Yes. It rolled off and I didn't get a good number, so I had to re-roll that one. Ooh, 3 for number 4. Goodness. I'm on a 3 streak. There's a 1 for number 5. There's a 1 for number 6. Go back to number 1. 1, 2, and 3. Oops. Oh, goodness. I'm going to take the 3. Can you see that? I think you can see that. 1, 2, and 3. And then number 3 is going to get 2. 1 and 2. We have 2 left. Are they both going to go to number 4? Yes. So we will start on number 5. Oops, sorry for the noise. All right. Just going to scoot everything off to the side. All right, let's see what we got here for day 19. $1, $2 going into number 1, and this is from Spooky Budgets. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1.25. So we got $1.25, and we finished one. Oh my gosh, I did not think we would. We saved $3 today. This one is from Spooky Budgets. And we have 75 cents we can put into a new one. I'm going into my extras. Let's do another one from Hannah. Nope. Let's do another one from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets, formerly Printable by Wood. So this will save us $5. We'll put 75 cents into it. I really wanted to color it in, but it was going to take me too long. So I did 3 spot. Oops, that does not go there. That goes here. This money can go there. All right, number 2. $1, $2. $2.50. I feel like I mixed it up. Maybe I should have done a better job. All right, well, we just needed $2, so we finished another one. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75, $2. Very cool. So we can put 50 cents into a new one. What's this one? Oh, another one from Evergreen Budgets. It's a part of her membership, so I have a lot of stuff, so we can mark off 2 more little circles. This will save us $3. All right, number 3. I can't believe we finished 2 for 2. Okay, so we have $2.25 for number 3. This one is one of mine. I decided I'm not coloring it in again, so we have 25, 50, 75, $1. That's that. 25, 50, 75, $1. That's that one. And then 25 cents, and that is that one. So we have $1 left, and this one will be done. This is free on my Ko-fi. All right. Put that there, and then number 4. Number 4 got $2. And number 4 is from Becca Budget 777. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75, $2. So this one only has 50 more cents, and that will save us $6. All right, number 5 got 25 cents. And this one is from Kimmy's Corner. Just go with the flow. And we can mark off one circle. This one will save us $4 when we are done. We will start there tomorrow. All right, number 6 got 1, but it was $1, so that's pretty awesome. And this one is from Bookish Mama Budgets, so we can mark off 4 more little circles. Perfect. So yay for some finishes today. That's pretty cool. So let's get our top coins. I'm going to mix them up a little bit more. Okay. Put those in there, and then let's get money out of our bank. I don't know if we'll have enough. I might need to get change. So let's see. We have 3 and 2 for $5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have $12 in our bank. Let's go back here and put $5 in our completed and 2 more into our savings challenge. Can't wait to count these at the end of the month to see how we're doing. Ooh, very chunky. There we go. All right, guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me for day 19. I appreciate you so much. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.